What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode 76 of Through the Mail Autographs. We do autographs through the mail, baseball, football, basketball, racing, celebrities, golf, all kinds of stuff. We just haven't got into some of that yet. But keep an eye on the channel because we will. Today we got, I don't know, I think it's like 19 things, and we have three eBay purchases to show you. So let's get right at it. 3 for 3 in 6 days. This just went from Columbus, about 2 hours away, so it didn't take very long. Pete Johnson, and these are all his 82 cards. 82 in action, 82 championship, and we'll try to send that to Kenny Anderson too. Cool. 2 for 2 in 12 days. Gene Pence, 77 and a 78. I'm trying to get a bunch of those 77s lately. I bought 1,800 of them, so I've been sending them out. 3 for 3 in 12 days. Richard Dotson, 85 tops for the set, an 82 tops for the set, and an 84 tops for the set. Let's see if we need those or not. 2 for 2 in 12 days. Frank Funk, rookie card, 2 of them. Man, those almost look like the identical signatures. There's a little bit difference to them, but wow. He signs very much the same way. Here's 5 for 5 in 9 days. I didn't see much on there as far as this guy having successes, but I saw somebody get him back, so I tried him. Pat Matson, 73, 74, 73, and a 71. I think that 71 is his rookie card, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but... And he also signed an index card. Guess he played for, what, Denver? The Bengals and the Packers. And I asked him who his favorite teammate was. Rufus Mays. I remember Rufus. I think he's deceased now. 4 for 4 in 19 days. Okay, it's Dick Ambrose. And his favorite teammate was Clay Matthews. Here's an 81 tops, an 82 tops, and an 80 tops. Probably couldn't pick much better than Clay Matthews. He was a good ball player. 3 for 3 in 14 days. Ed Bain. All I had of him was these 77 cards. He signed all 3. So I got some trade bait. 5 for 5 in 14 days. Ron Demeter, 63 Fleer, one of my favorite sets. 63 tops, 61 tops, a 60 tops, and a 61 tops. Nice. Some good stuff. 3 for 3 in 14 days. Al Spangler, 63. I think I needed a 60 tops rookie and a 68. I just sent it out for that 60, and I thought I might as well send those other ones out since I had them. Did he answer his thing? Yes, he did. His favorite teammate was Del Crandall from Milwaukee Brewers, or Milwaukee Braves, whichever. I think it was Milwaukee Braves at the time. 1 for 1 in 14 days. Tucker Ashford, 84 tops for the set. I don't know why I only had one of his cards. 5 for 5 in 14 days. Rod Gilbreth, 75, 78, 77, 79, and 76. It's a nice little run there. Five for 5 in 14 days. Chris Knapp, 77, 77, 78, 81 Donruss, and another 77. So I bought like 1,800 of these, and I've just been sending out to whoever signs. I've got a bunch of them back. 3 for 3 in 14 days. Orlando Mercado, look at that. Oh, Orlando. 284 tops and 85 tops for the set. He's got the worst autograph in history. 3 for 3 in 29 days. Bud Daly, 61 tops, 62 tops, and a 60 tops. Awesome. All right, 4 for 4 in 29 days. Gary Ross, 71 tops, 70 tops, 73 tops, and a 78 tops. 4 for 4 in 33 days. Ken Forsch, 72 tops, 76 tops, and a 75 tops. Love that vintage. Keep that vintage coming. This was a $5 fee. It was a 2 for 2 in 36 days. And it's an oldie. He does charge $5 a card. Here's a 62 tops, Joey J, and a 58 tops. Nice. Here's a 6 for 6 in 87 days. Thought these were gone. J Tibbs, 89 tops, 88 tops, 87 Fleer, 88 score, 90 tops, and 89 Fleer. Awesome. 2 out of 3 in 9 days. This is the last one. How many did we get? 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 today. 19 today. We got Dick LeBeau. He signed 2 of my 3 cards. That's what, a 68, and I don't know, I think it's a 67 Philadelphia maybe. And I guess he doesn't do multiples, so I had an extra one of that, so we'll send it to him again sometime. Nice. What do you think, guys? Thought that's a pretty good day for the day. My favorite card of the day is probably that Dick LeBeau. And then the second favorite card is probably that Don Demeter Fleer card. I love those cards. Let me know what your favorite one was. I appreciate you watching the channel. I appreciate everybody signing my cards. And like I said, let me know. Please like, please subscribe, please comment. Like I said, we really need you guys to start commenting and either liking or disliking, because it helps the algorithm. The more the interaction there is in the channel, the more other people will be able to see this. And here's the 3 buys I did on eBay. This was let's see, this set here, I can't remember. I think it was roughly $1 a card or under $1 a card. But we got an 87 Fleer Tito Landrum, a Jeff Reed, Bob Welch, Ken Landreau, 89 Donruss Mark Davis, 87 Fleer Dave Leeper, 89 Donruss Carmelo Martinez, 84 Tim Wallach, 84 Donruss Bill Rasky, 84 Donruss The Chicken. Everybody loves The Chicken. 84 tops Todd Cruz. I think I needed that for the set. Is one of the reasons I bought this whole thing. And I'm starting an 87 top set. At Lee Hammaker. I know he's signing his mail now, but he didn't used to. But cool. I got, like I said, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 cards. I think I paid $10 for these. Here's the next thing I got. It was 80 autographed NASCAR cards. There were 4 different lots. I have $45 tied up in these 80 cards. I mean, there were some good names in here too. There's like Ricky Craven. See, Robbie Gordon. I can't really see the names on these. I'll thumb through them a little bit. There's Ernie Irvin. There's Casey Kane. I'm missing a few cards too. There's even Richard Petty in here. But yeah, I thought this was a steal for just about 50 cents a card. And I can barely buy the blank cards for 50 cents. I said there was Jeff Burton in here, Bobby Labonte, Ricky Craven, Kerry Earnhardt, Terry Labonte, Sterling Marlin. Who's that guy? Brendan, don't know who he is. David Green. Yeah, like I said, I thought this was a steal. $45 for 80 autographed cards. There's Dale Jarrett, Ned Jarrett. I'm just gonna Todd Bodine. Is that Kurt Busch? Yeah, these will look nice in the albums. Probably not going to be working on any of these sets because I don't do much NASCAR, but I just like putting them in my albums. But cool, like I said, $45 for 80 cards. Couldn't believe it. And then here's another one. This was 44 cards I bought off one guy. It wasn't a whole lot, but I bought some singles off of him. I bought some lots from him. But this is 100, or I paid 100, either 100 or $105 for these 44 cards. So there's an 82 Bill Madlock. He charges $15 through the mail. Tom Underwood, he's deceased now, so I couldn't get him for my set. Burt Belay 11, he's like $25 through the mail. Tom Herr charges through the mail now. There's Mike Easler, Orley Jackson. I think I needed this boa for the set. This is a traded, Topps traded. Another Tom Herr, Kent Colby. Lamar Hoyt, I believe I needed for that set. Rupert Jones, I think I needed for the set. Ed Krampel, I needed for the 72 set. There's Ron Taylor, I think I needed him for the set. I already had that. Who's this guy? I can't read it. Russ Meyer. I think it's Bob Friend. Billy DeMars, he's deceased now too. Says Bob Friend. Bobby Shantz. And here's a 79 Paul Russell. Greg Lazinski, I don't think he does his mail anymore. Grant Jackson is deceased. Sal Bando, I think he charges. There's another Grant. Manny Trio. Rick Wise. Richie Hebner. Rick Roden. Greg Gross. Tyler Miller. Greg Gross. Larry Christensen. Merv Redmond. Jim Wright. Stan Lopata. There's a nice 58. Nice 58 Vernon. Mickey Vernon. There's a nice 59 Mickey Vernon. Stan Lopata 57. Dennis Bennett, I think he's deceased. 63. Roy Waite, I think he charges 5 in the mail. Gary Waslewski. Frank Thomas, I got this for, I think it was like $3 and he charges $5 in the mail. So I sent $20 to him in 4 cards 2 months ago and I never got them back. So I don't know if I sent to the wrong address or they got lost or what, but he's usually pretty quick. Dennis Bennett. Bruce Keeson is deceased. Darren Dalton is deceased. But I think that's a good stack for $100. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about that stack. Do you think that was worth $100? There was a lot of like guys that don't sign anymore and a lot of the guys that have deceased. And I needed them for the sets. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate you watching this stuff. And please like, please subscribe. Please hit all. Thanks, guys. Peace. All right, guys, we decided to do something different. We're going to try to get 1,000 subscribers. If we get 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a huge giveaway. We're going to do our very first live, which I've never done a live before, but we will do a very first live and do a giveaway. If we get to 1,000, I'm going to give away a bunch of stuff. This is just some of it. There's going to be more stuff I'm going to give away on the live show. But here's some of the stuff we're going to give away. This is a Pro Wrestlers vs. Zombies poster signed by most of the cast. It's signed by Roddy Piper, Shane Douglas, Hacksaw Jim Duggan. Hey, it's signed by me too. That's the most valuable one. Haha, not. The movie that I made, Axeman of Henderson County, it's signed by most of the cast. Signed by Jeremy Ambler that was in The Walking Dead. There's Hacksaw Jim Duggan on the top. There's Major Harris, College Football Hall of Famer. And it's not limited to 100. We only did 100 of these. This Fergie Jenkins, autograph 8x10. We're also going to give away a Brian Christopher. We have Brooks Robinson signed baseball. There's a Steve Garvey. There's a Fergie Jenkins baseball. Once again, to be eligible to win, like I said, I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. You need to please be subscribed to my page. We need you to like the video, and we need you to share the video and let everybody know, because we're going to try to get to 1,000 subscribers. The faster we get to 1,000, the faster I can give this stuff away. And we're going to give tons of other stuff away too. So what do you think, guys? Is that some pretty good stuff? Help me get to 1,000, and we will give it away on our first live.